Hello, welcome to the video everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to solve indeterminate limits by using a conjugate. Now one thing to keep in mind when working with conjugates is that a plus b multiplied by a minus b is going to equal a squared minus b squared. Now in this case, a plus b and a minus b are conjugates because they involve the same two terms, a and b, with equal value, but the sign in between them is reversed. Now while keeping this in mind, we're actually going to move on to our problem. So we'll have limit as x approaches 5 of x minus 5 divided by the square root of x plus 4 minus 3. Now the first thing we should try here is just plugging in 5 for all the x's. So we'll have 5 minus 5 divided by, well, 5 plus 4 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3 minus 3. So we'll have 5 minus 5 is 0, and on the bottom 3 minus 3 is 0. So here is our indeterminate limit, 0 over 0. So we're going to need to use a different method to solve this problem. You'll notice that the denominator has a square root in it and also has two terms. Now this is what we want for our a and b. We want to take the conjugate of the denominator here. You'll notice that the sign in between them is minus in this case. So we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator because we don't want to change the function by square root of x plus 4 plus 3. Now what I recommend is not to simplify the side of the fraction that you did not take the conjugate of. In this case, the numerator would be the side that we don't simplify. All we do is bring the terms together. We'll rewrite limit as x approaches 5 of x minus 5 times the square root of x plus 4 plus 3. For the denominator here, we can actually use our identity, a minus b times a plus b. So we can actually just square the first term and square the second term and subtract them. Now x plus 4 minus 9 is simply the same thing as x minus 5. You'll actually notice here that we have an x minus 5 on both the numerator and the denominator, so we can actually cancel those out. And from here we can just plug in 5 for our x's. So 5 plus 4 is 9, the square root of 9 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So your limit as x approaches 5 is 6.